Hello, everybody. And this time we are talking about digital business. Digital business is the process of applying digital technology to reinvent business models and transform a company's products and customers' experiences, innovating products that create new value and connecting people with things, insights, and experiences. And then we move to elements of digital business. The first element, new value. Digital businesses typically look for new methods and opportunities to create value in developing and expanding market sectors that encourage innovation and technology. For example, digital business may include leveraging the Internet of Things to create new supply chain opportunities in the lumber sector, enhance logistics for better delivery efficiency in the transportation sector, or create new entertainment options for in-flight customers. And then the second, new digital mindsets. Digital businesses operate from a digital mindset that embraces a culture of agile methodologies and cross-functional collaboration that typically results in quicker, more efficient decision-making processes. It includes creating smaller agile teams that use dynamic, iterative processes to handle a wider range of projects and decisions concerning organizational and technological processes. This mindset can promote innovation, increase responsive customer care opportunities, and expand a company's overall competencies. And then third, new experiences. Digital businesses strive to identify innovative and more efficient ways to enhance the customer's experience across different sectors. Through digitalizations, businesses can use big data and information technology to develop and implement new proficiencies throughout each step of the customer's buying experience. For example, businesses may use customers' purchasing data to identify behavior patterns that may help them improve their product and delivery options, supply chain opportunities, and marketing strategies. And then we move to types of digital business. The first type, ad supported. As the name implies, this type of digital business thrives on revenue generated from advertisements, typically operating on diverse social media platforms. This business capitalizes on the cost-free nature of creating social media accounts, and supported companies exploit this advantage to profit from ads, promotions, etc. And then the second, marketplace. Marketplaces imply platforms for buying and selling provided by service provider companies. In Indonesia, prominent marketplaces employed by entrepreneurs encompass Tokopedia, Bukalapak, Shopee, and others. Marketplaces simplify online transactions for sellers and customers alike. In addition, To facilitating smooth transactions, sellers benefit from a broader and more accessible market. And then the third, subscriptions. This variant of digital business thrives on subscriptions fees paid by customers. Examples encompass streaming, reading, gaming, and other entertainment platforms. This model steps from the transformation of traditional methods where individuals subscribe to newspapers, magazines, or services. These services have since been digitized into subscription based formats. And then fourth, e-commerce. Although often mistaken for marketplaces, e-commerce differs significantly. While marketplace businesses utilize third-party platforms, e-commerce enterprises directly market their products or services without intermediaries. For instance, a company employs a meticulously designed website, enabling customers to peruse a catalog and make purchases directly. And then we move to digital business benefits. The first benefit enhances productivity. Automating manual processes has a huge impact. For example, imagine you automate an assembly sector inside your industry. No, there is zero to the minimum need for manual labor to work in that particular sector because everything will be done with the help of robots. Therefore, there will only be minimal mistakes. Apart from that, the process is also faster. And then second, high quality and consistency. A major advantage of having a digital business is that it can guarantee that all the operations are made consistently. It provides high quality outputs. For instance, automating a customer service sector will provide the consumer of that sector with high quality information and support. And then third, lower operational costs. The main objectives of every business are to save time and money. Doing manual processes and tasks is extremely time consuming and relatively slower than automated techniques. In addition, you also need to pay the laborers on a monthly or hourly basis, which would involve a lot of money. And then fourth, better decision making. Information management and digitization work very closely. When the information is analyzed, it will help transform into knowledge. Knowledge helps in making better decisions. And then how to start a digital business. Since there are so many functional benefits of setting up an online business, you're probably wondering how to create a successful business in the digital space. The first, create a detailed business plan. An efficient business plan should outline important information like what the brand is all about, the vision, short-term and long-term goals, unique value propositions, details on the target audience, digital initiative, etc. And then second, choose the right business model. The business model of choice will significantly impact all business operations. So it is important to choose wisely. And then the third, develop a strong digital strategy. Identify the best choice of digital communication, digital workflow, and a budget that will be most effective for the brand or organization. And then fourth, select the right digital technology channels. Identifying the right digital channels is a key factor that will directly impact business growth. Choose the right digital channels based on your target audience and create strategic content for maximum results. I think it is enough. Thanks for watching.